Hi, in this video I'm going to share 3 exercises to help you with your anxiety. So the first exercise begins by taking a very deep breath and filling your lower belly with air. And then on the exhale, we'll open our mouth and we'll let out sound. The sound will sound like a sigh of relief or the sound of ah. So let's begin by placing our hands on our lower belly. Take a deep belly breath in. Open the mouth wide. And ah. Let's do that again. Ah. And one more time. Ah. The next exercise is called tapping. So you're going to take your fingertips and gently start to tap here near your temples, on your face. Gently tap, and let's take 2 breaths in. Then we're going to move the tapping to just below the sternum bone on the chest, tapping lightly on the chest. Let's take a couple breaths here. And then next, tapping on the sides of your rib cage near the spleen. And take a couple breaths here with me. And the last practice, make a flat fist and you're going to tap here on your chest. So this last exercise helps us ground into our body. Many times when we're experiencing anxiety, we have become disconnected from our body. All of our awareness is in our mind, trapped in maybe cyclical thoughts. So simply through these 3 practices, by bringing awareness down into the body, we can begin to eliminate our anxiety.